friends, we are outside today in my backyard and I will be taking you on a nature walk with me and Gabriel. So thank you for joining us. Let's go see what we can find.
Noise. That.
What's that noise?
Vroom.
It sounds like a trombone.
No.
A lawnmower?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yellow.
It's a yellow flower.
Yeah. No, no. No. No back.
We found a rock and we moved the rock. And underneath there are a bunch of little ants moving. Do you see the little carpenter ants moving? These are the ants' tunnels. Yeah, they go from place to place in their home.
Ben.
What's that noise?
I got it.
A helicopter?
Yeah. Noise.
What's that noise? Even though there are some very beautiful flowers outside, there are some dangerous plants too. Oh no. This plant is poison ivy, and if you step in it, it could hurt you. Whenever you're outside, make sure you ask whoever's helping you to see if a plant is safe to touch. Thank you, friends, for going on our nature walk with us. I hope you had fun. I'd love to see what you find on your nature walk. I'll see you later. Have a good day.